Sure, my other office, Deputy West, I am able to say, man.
Hey, Beth, this is Davis.
Hey,
Is Miss Charlotte still in there?
no,
Okay.
I don't know what she
So
needs.
I asked her to get me an inmate for 2:30. Go ahead and disregard that inmate. I think it's going to be continued.
All
Okay,
right.
Thank you.
So, okay. This is the state of Georgia versus Contavious Brown, charged in warrant number 2025 WA05464. That's battery. 2025 WA05094, criminal trespass. Representing the state is Assistant Solicitor Janvier. Representing the defendant is Attorney Mark Lane. Your witness.
Good morning. Officer Joseph, can you please raise your right hand?
Wait a minute, hold on. Did I say the right case number? Oh, I'm sorry. He only has one charge, correct? I said
Yes.
two. All right, so the only charge he has is the battery 2025 WA0564. All righty, go ahead.
Please raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm the testimony you're about to give is the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
I do.
Thank you. Will you please state your name for the record?
Officer Willis Joseph.
And Officer Joseph, where are you currently employed?
Currently employed at the East Point Police Department.
I'm sorry, I couldn't hear you.
The East Point Police Department?
And are you post certified?
Yes.
And were you post certified on August the 13th of 2025?
Yes.
Where were you employed on that date?
At the Clayton County Sheriff Office.
And did you have an occasion to come into contact with Mr. Contavious Brown?
I spoke with with a Sergeant Smart in reference to the case that the defendant got into a physical altercation with an officer in the jail.
And how did you become involved?
I was called from court and spoke with Sergeant Smart, and he informed me that the officer, Jalen Massey, I believe, um, had went into the housing unit and when he had opened the door, the inmate got into a fight with him and punched him and caused physical damage to his fingers and hands.
I can't hear anything he's saying. Is it
It's very
me?
muffled. No, it's very muffled.
I don't know if you gotta see if you can turn your device up.
Let me. Are you able to hear me now?
That's a little better.
Yeah, that's a little better.
Okay.
Okay,
All right.
thank you.
I'll repeat it.
Okay.
All right. And to your knowledge, where did the incident occur?
At the Clayton County Jail.
And how were you able to determine that Mr. Brown was involved?
I determined that Mr. Brown was involved because Sergeant Smart from the jail, he called me and notified me that he watched the video footage of the incident that occurred.
And how were they able to identify that it was Mr. Brown that was involved?
Because Mr. Jalen Massey, the victim, he essentially said that that was the offender.
Okay. And did you all I'm sorry, what occurred? What excuse me, the altercation, what occurred?
So I was informed by Sergeant Smart that the offender was in his cell when the
Yeah,
officer opened the
I
door.
cannot. I
Still
cannot
can't
hear.
hear me? I can try to log into another device and see.
Yeah,
Yeah, and
see
you
if you
sound
can.
muffled.
Yeah, very muffled.
Are you able to hear me better, Your Honor?
Much better.
Oh, that's much better. Great, thank you. All right, now let's go.
Okay. So on the day in question, what incident were you alerted to?
I was alerted to a fight that occurred between Officer Massey and the inmate.
And what happened during that altercation?
So Sergeant Smart called me and he notified me that inmate Brown got into a physical altercation with the officer when he had opened his cell.
And was this incident observed in person?
No, I was notified by Sergeant Smart because after he watched the video footage of the incident that occurred, because he had to do a use of force report.
And was a warrant taken out for Mr. Brown after this information?
Yes.
Thank you. No additional questions, Your Honor.
All right, any cross?
Yes, Your Honor. Good morning, officer.
Good morning, sir.
So did you say, so you didn't personally witness the incident?
No, I did not.
Okay. And did you review any video?
No, I did look at the victim's hands, which were cut and bruised. He was bleeding from his knuckles, and he also had a bruise, I believe, near his face. I'm not sure specifically where.
Okay. And did you get a chance to look at Mr. Contavious Brown?
No, I did not get a chance to. I believe they moved him to Housing Unit 5 at the time.
Okay. Is Housing Unit 5, is that a place where you can receive medical attention or?
Housing Unit 5 is more of a behavioral housing unit where individuals that do more things inside of the jail, they're placed into that housing unit.
Okay. Prior to the incident, was he just in a regular cell or was he in a special uh, cell like Housing Unit 5?
No, he was in I would say a general population cell.
Okay. All right. Did you ever get a chance to, I guess, did you ever get a chance to speak with him?
No, I did not.
So this was everything that you learned about the incident then you were getting from Sergeant Smart?
Correct.
Okay. And how much time had passed between the incident and your meeting with Sergeant Smart?
It was, I would say, within a 15 to 20-minute gap. I was notified, however, I was in court, so I had to wait and then come down to the jail.
Okay. And is this standard procedure for an incident like this, I guess, because there was use of force?
Correct, because the officers in the jail, they're not deputized or able to put out a warrant on an individual. So the deputies would have to come into the jail at that point.
Okay. Do you know if anyone at this point has spoke with Mr. Brown to get his version of what happened?
No, I'm not sure if Sergeant Smart did his own investigation and spoke with him, but I know it is all documented into a jail report that they completed.
Okay. All right. Well, thank you, officer. I don't have any further questions.
All right, any redirect?
No, Your Honor.
All right, closing arguments?
The state would waive and reserve.
All right, go ahead. Attorney Lane.
Your Honor, the defense would just submit with the officer's testimony.
Okay, based upon the evidence presented, I do find that it is sufficient probable cause to bind this battery over to the State Court of Clayton County. That's the order of the court. Alrighty. And so all right, so what about Robert Brown?
I'm sorry, may I be excused, Your Honor?
Yes, have a great day. Thank you.
Thank you. You too, Your Honor.
Did the deputy hear me? Do y'all know? Did they respond?
I didn't hear anything.
Your Honor, are you waiting on somebody? I'm sorry.
Yes. If we could get Mr. Robert Brown,
I'm sorry. I was unhooking inmates that was coming up from.
that's okay. Figure you were back there working.
So you say Robert Brown? I got you.
Yes. Are you Mr. Robert Brown? Yes. Okay, the device is muted, but the inmate did confirm that he is Robert Brown. This is the state of Georgia versus Robert Brown. Warrant number 2025 WA05094. Representing the state is Assistant Solicitor Janvier. Representing the defendant is Attorney Mark Lane. Your witness, Assistant Solicitor Janvier.
Good morning, Officer Jemay.
Yes, good morning, man.
Can you please raise your right hand? Do you swear or affirm the testimony you're about to give is the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
I do.
Thank you. Will you please state your name for the record?
Officer Pierre Germain,
And Officer Jemay, where are you currently employed?
Atlanta Police Department.
And are you post-certified?
Yes, ma'am.
Were you post-certified on August the 8th of 2025?
Correct, ma'am.
And were you on duty on that day?
Correct, ma'am.
And where was your duty location?
Atlanta Airport, Hartsfield Jackson. I was
And
assigned at the domestic room,
what county is that located in?
Clinton County.
Did you have an occasion to come into contact with Mr. Robert Brown?
That's correct, ma'am.
And how was that contact initiated?
Was nearby in the atrium, and where we have a domestic food court. Mr. Brown was observed begging customers for food and for spare change. Actually, one of the customers come and complain about the situation. So I approached Mr. Brown, and then we continued to the police precinct, and we found out that Mr. Brown already had three three criminal trespass warning not to be on the airport property except for employment or for traveling. So he was
Wait a minute.
charged.
Hold on 1 second. Deputy, if you would unmute the inmate for a second. Attorney Lane, did you have an opportunity to speak with him?
I didn't personally, Your Honor, but our office has spoke with him.
And there
Yeah,
was no indications of anything?
No, Your Honor.
Mr. Robert Brown, do you understand what's going on today?
Look right there.
My bottle, the bottle, my bottle.
The bottle.
It's a bottle, G.
Take that out of there.
G is a
Mr.
fucking.
Brown,
I'm not lying, it's a bottle.
You heard?
Come on, bro, you can have the bottle, bro.
Mr. Brown,
Yeah, what's up?
do you understand what's going on today?
Huh?
Do you understand what's going on today?
Put that
No.
up.
He wants
You said what? You
All
said
right,
what?
so Deputy,
Yes, ma'am.
do you think he's understanding what's going on?
I'm trying to talk. He keep asking questions. I'm trying to understand what you're saying. He talking about something that don't even matter.
It don't matter because you're in front of the judge.
I'm trying to
Button
talk.
that up.
I'm trying
All right,
to
Mr. Brown, do you understand what's going on right now?
No, can you say that one more time, Miss? Say that again.
Do you understand what's going on right now?
No, I don't understand. Say it again, please.
You understand we're having your preliminary hearing? You understand that?
Yes, I'm just saying, Miss. I did over my 60 days, like so far, and I've been here for a long time. I understand why I'm doing so much time for just trespass. They say I trespass. That's it.
Okay, all right. I think we're okay to continue. All righty. All right, we're gonna go carry on your preliminary hearing. Go ahead, officer. My apologies.
No, we're good, Your Honor. Well, we established that Mr. Brown was begging for spare change and for food at the food court at the atrium. We relocated to the police precinct, and it was established that Mr. Brown had already received three criminal trespass warning not to be on the airport property except for traveling or for employment, come to work. So he was charged with criminal trespass, and then he transported to Clinton County Jail.
And did you determine on the day in question that Mr. Brown was not traveling or an employee of the airport?
I have a trend. I have a trend running right over my head right now. Can you hear me?
I can hear you.
Okay. The question was, I'm sorry, if you
Did you determine on the day in question that Mr. Brown was not traveling in the airport nor an employee on that day?
That's correct, ma'am.
All right, thank you. No additional questions.
I was muted. Go ahead, Attorney Lane.
Thank you, Judge. Good morning, officer.
Good morning, sir.
And you said that, I guess, looking at the warrant here, as far as Mr. Brown, you said that he was on file for trespassing in the past?
Yes, sir. He has received three different criminal trespass warning before that. I have three different case number for you if you want to copy them. They are in the
Okay.
book.
Okay, and from what you were able to tell, at least one of them was active?
All three of them were active.
They were all three active? Okay.
Yes.
And when you encountered Mr. Brown, did it seem like he was able to understand your questions and commands? Like mentally, was he lucid and able to understand what you were asking him?
That's correct. A little combative at the beginning, but he cooperated with me, and then we ended up going to the precinct. No problem, no major problem as far as fighting and stuff like that.
Okay. All right. Well, thank you, officer. I don't have any further questions.
Any redirect?
No, Your Honor.
All right, closing arguments. Attorney Lane?
Let's table the waiver and reserve.
Yeah, Your Honor, and defense would submit the officer's testimony.
Well, based on the evidence presented, I do find that there is sufficient probable cause to bind this case over to the State Court of Clayton County. That's the order of the court.
Your Honor, may I be excused, Your Honor?
Yes.
You have
Have
a
a
blessed
great
day, Your
day.
Honor. You have a blessed day, Your Honor.
All righty.
Your Honor, it looks like, I don't know if I could go in the back and meet with Mr. Brown. He's raising his hand. I don't know if they're,
They took him.
okay.
All righty. That concludes the calendar, right?
Yes, Your Honor.
I believe so, Your Honor.
All righty. Well, y'all have a great day.
Thank you.